If you want to permanently delete your Indeed account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your information is removed from the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find the Delete Account option. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy. Here, you should find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the Delete Account option and follow any prompts provided. You may be asked to confirm your decision or enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to permanently delete your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been deleted. Once you have completed these steps, your Indeed account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any important information before starting the process, as it cannot be recovered afterward.